How to make friends. If you feel left out and lonely, you need to find friends. Perhaps forming friendships has always been hard for you, or maybe you've recently moved and don't know anyone. Whatever the reason, remember that at some point, everyone has to make new friends. If you are a teenager struggling to form fresh relationships, you need a few ideas to get things moving. Be friendly. It sounds obvious, but the first step to making friends is to appear welcoming. No one will want to meet up with you if you look sullen, aggressive, or standoffish. Making a move towards a friendship can be daunting, but take a deep breath and have a go. Simply smile. Smiling shows others how pleasant you are. Even when you are nervous and faced with a new situation, a smile lets people know you are approachable. If you smile, someone will smile back. Smiling is contagious. Smiling is a reflex action you learn as a baby. Psychologists report that when people smile, not only does their mood improve, but others feel better too. That's a good way to start a friendship. Say hello. Few people will ignore you if you say hello, but be careful to choose the right situation. Don't greet someone as she's rushing to class late, or in the middle of an exciting conversation on a Monday morning. Pick your moment. Speak to the person beside you in homeroom or beside a bulletin board. When you're searching for a table in the cafeteria, ask to join a group as opposed to asking if you can sit there. There is a difference. Ask for help. Start a conversation by asking for help. Ask directions and you may get shown the way. Inquire when a homework project needs to be submitted, even when you know the answer, and you could get a companion to work with. You'd be surprised how happily people respond to the opportunity to help. Develop conversations. There are many ways to start a conversation. During homeroom, exchange names and talk about the day ahead. At the bulletin board, point to a notice and ask what your companion knows about it. When getting directions, tell the person why you are going there. Even talking about the food in the school lunchroom will always get a big reaction. Just be natural, take it slowly, and don't be pushy. Make acquaintances first, then friends. Join a club. At school, get involved in extracurricular activities. Join something you are genuinely interested in. That way your companions will share your interest and enthusiasm. Sports. Group sports or gym classes improve your fitness level and mood. Don't worry if you've never been the athletic type. You don't need to be an Olympic athlete. Arts and crafts. Attempt something completely new, like art classes, writing a column for the school newspaper, joining the choir, or auditioning for the drama production. If you're not a natural performer, there's always plenty of work backstage, as an usher, or similar type job. Use your initiative. If you don't see anything of interest, think about starting a club. Consult a teacher or counselor about your ideas. A notice on the school bulletin board might connect you to others who will jump at the chance to join in. Thanks for watching.